Good afternoon. Covian welcomes you all to the webinar on Engage and Enhance Employees' Career Growth in the New Normal. I am Sri Ranjani, an Oracle HCM Lead Consultant at Covian. The agenda of today's webinar is to discuss how to handle the career growth of employees in the new normal by tracking the employee skill set, identifying employees' career interests and career preferences virtually, identifying the area of improvements, and what are the key benefits and Covian value adds. Covian is a business transformation and technology solution partner. Let's see what are the key challenges we are facing during a COVID-19. For human resources, it's highly challenging to hire new employees and retaining them, the existing talents during the COVID-19 virtually. We should stepping up into the new normal during a pandemic for managing current job requirements and to move on in a positive direction of organization growth as well as the employees' growth. It is indispensable to plan for organizational future need and it is highly recommended to use cloud to make sure that the information is available anywhere and anytime. Let's see how to track the employee skill set using Oracle HCM Cloud. Oracle Talent Management helps to capture the employee skills in the HCM Cloud. Employee skills such as competency, education, previous experiences can be captured, maintained and used for the key decision-making processes. Let's see how to identify the career growth of employee using Oracle HCM Cloud. Letting employees to identify their career interest within the organization helps to retain them. With the help of Oracle Career Development Module, employee can explore the jobs available within the organization. Employees can view the compatibility percentage for the best fit in the employee role or career. Employees can add the interested jobs as a career interest. The recommended role option helps the manager to suggest or recommend the role for the employees. This helps to plan for the organizational future talent needs. The career preference section helps to capture the information of the employee's career preferences. This helps HR to align employees' interest to available opportunities within the organization. What are the benefits? Honing the existing talent within the organization will reduce efforts required to search the employee candidates during the pandemic like COVID-19. It helps to retain the already groomed talent in the organization. Human resources can make a critical decision based on the available data captured using Oracle HCM Cloud. Demo. Let's see live demo of this module. As an employee, I have to click on Me, Career and Performance. Next, I have to click on Skills and Qualification. Here, I have to give the career statement, which is about my career aspiration. Next, as a sample, we have enabled a competency section. This section has a spider chart which shows how many competencies you have for the current role, what is the current role requirement in the clear graph. This gives an employee an idea how much he is fit enough for the current role, associate consultant. Apart from that, this shows a theoretical way of looking the data of an employee. If you'd like to add a new competency, you have to click on Add button. Here you have to choose the competency and give the proficiency level, and if there is any comments, if you'd like to add as an employee, you have to add and click on Save. Like this, you have to add all the competencies and finally you have to click on Submit. As per the approval configuration we have configured, it will go for the approval. Next section is, let's see about career development. This is a scoreboard. It shows how many active roles, recommended roles or career interest as an employee I am having. This career statement is the same as the career statement displayed in the skills and qualification page. And this is the career outlook. It shows what is the current role I am having. I am an associate consultant. If any role I would like to add as a future role, I can add over here. I can see what are the roles available over in the organization by clicking on the explore role option. This is the development plan section. This section helps to see what all the development goals I am having and what all the statuses. And next is the recommend role option. The recommended role option is recommended by my manager. For Christopher, his manager recommended a lead consultant. If he clicks on that particular role, he'll be able to see what all the competencies required for the lead consultant. If he is like to improve his efficiency in any particular competency, he can add that as an add goal. it will by default will show as an improved proficiency in core HR module. He has to give the rest of the details and he has to click on save and close, and finally he has to click on submit. If you'd like to add this as a career of interest, he can do so by clicking add to career of interest button. Next is a career preferences, which helps to capture the employee's career preferences, whether what is his next career move, whether he is what is his preferred region, if he has anything would like to add, and this section is completely customizable based on the client's requirement. Next one is a work requirement. This shows what are the work preferences an employee wants to in the future, whether he is willing to travel domestically, internationally, willing to relocate, willing to consider the following assignments, like this. Like this, employee can provide his own interest towards the career growth using the career development module. Our value adds. We provide a custom dashboards that will help user to analyze the real-time data. Our custom info alerts provides a quick glimpse of most recent information. We have a package of report and analytics that are ready for deployment. We provide a custom alerts based on the needs of organization requirement. A personalization can be done. The key takeaways: Oracle HCM Cloud helps to retain the current employees in the organization. It identifies the employee's area of improvement in the job. It identifies the right talent for the job requirement in the organization, grooming the resources for the future organizational needs. We have reached to the end of the session. Please feel free to reach the Covion for more information. info@covion.com. Thank you.